In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and hitting display. Then select font size and style, go into font style and click on any of those styles to apply it. You can also select download fonts. Install a perfect one by clicking on this icon next to it or clicking on it and hitting install. Either way, when it's ready, go back to font style list and apply it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!